One of the main benefits of owning an electric vehicle is never having to go to the gas station to refuel, but public EV chargers can be hard to find or very busy. If they can't, EV owners are going to want to install a home charger so they don't end up out of power. Not only is having an EV charger at home convenient so you can charge anytime you want, but you'll also never have to worry about waiting in line if public chargers are all occupied. Plus, it adds to the value of your home if you sell. There are many products available to choose from best home EV chargers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews from customers, and compiled a list of the best home EV chargers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Pulsar Plus Level 2 EV Charger. Looking for a compact design because you don't want a large unsightly charger hanging from your garage wall? This sleek Level 2 charger from Wallbox fits the bill, offering 240-volt charging in a small package. The Pulsar Plus offers up to 40 amps of power, but automatically adjusts to varying charging needs down to 16 amps. This means charging your EV up to 7 times faster when compared to standard, Level 1 charging cables. It comes with a 25-foot charging cable. By using the Mailbox app, you can connect the charger to your smart devices, allowing you to wirelessly control and monitor your charger through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. With the app, you can create charging schedules to reduce the cost of charging, as well as set reminders, and get notifications of charging progress. Have 2 EVs at your home and need a pair of chargers? You can connect more than one of these chargers to the same electrical circuit, thanks to built-in smart power management, which will automatically balance charging for the most efficient energy distribution. Number 2. Lectron 240V 40 amp Level 2 EV Charger. Lectron makes so many EV chargers we can't really count them all, and they're not really big on snappy names. What they do have is a charger for every need and budget, from a 16 amp Level 1 charger you could plug into an outlet in your kitchen, to much faster and more feature-rich EV chargers like this 40 amp Level 2 charger. Requiring an NEMA 14 to 50 outlet provides 40 amps and 9.6 kWs of charging at 240 volts, which should be up to 7 times faster than a Level 1 charger on household current. The always-on LED display shows current, voltage, temperature, and charge time, and the housing is IP66 dust and water resistant. Number 3. Blink HQ150 EV Charging Station. US-based Blink has been making commercial charging stations since 2009, and recently started branching out into the home market with their first model, the HQ150. It's all listed an NEC 625 compliant wall-mounted Level 2 charger for indoor or protected outdoor use. The commercial background shows in the simplified controls and display there is no app, internet, or Bluetooth connection, just a few status lights and a long 25-foot charging cable. Unlike some models, it really is 25 feet long, too. At 32 amps, it's not quite as fast as 40 amp chargers, but it also only needs a single-phase, 240V power with a NEMA 6 to 50 plug. Output is a good 7.68 kilowatts. We wouldn't put this out on a post in the weather, but it's good for the exterior wall of a garage protected by the eaves, or in any indoor space that might be wet or dusty. Number 4. Juicebox Smart EV Charger. The Juicebox series of home EV chargers are available in 3 variants that are built on the universal J1772 charging standard. All versions of the Juicebox are Wi-Fi enabled, Level 2 charging stations that can charge all electric vehicles on the market, including Teslas with an adapter. With these chargers, you can use the JuiceNet mobile app and web portal to control scheduling, energy metering, notifications, and LED charging light indicators. You can even ask JuiceNet to remind you to plug in your vehicle if you've set up a daily charging routine. These chargers are compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Home, so you can use voice commands to monitor, manage, and control your charger. Each charger is housed in a weatherproof dust-tight polycarbonate casing that is indoor and outdoor rated. They're equipped with a 25-foot cable with a standard SAE J1772 plug at the end, and the company provides a 3-year warranty for use under normal residential operating conditions. Number 5. EVCharge Level 2 EV Charger. EVCharge's Level 2 charger is fully compatible with all electric vehicles and plug-in hybrid electric vehicles sold in the US and Canada. This charger offers a maximum of 7.68 kilowatts charging, meaning it charges up to 8 times faster than a standard AC Level 1 charger. It delivers an estimated 25 to 35 miles of range per hour of charging. It's an easy-to-install home EV charger with a standard NEMA 6 to 50 plug, and comes with a universal mounting bracket for wall mounting, as well as a post mount, or the ability to mount to any other structure. You can choose between models with an 18 or 25-foot charging cable, and the charger is available with or without Wi-Fi. It supports multiple current ratings, so you can adjust the maximum output current. The charger is NEMA 4 outdoor and indoor rated, and can also be hardwired. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.